I think it's going pretty good so far. In my head. In my little world. Okay. I think I will stand for this one. It's gonna be tight, man. It's gonna be tight. It's all falling apart. Stop. Will it fit? Will it fit? Yeah, kinda. It fits. It totally, smotally fits. Nice. That's gonna look nice. Ah! Ah! No, my computer! No! No! The cables! Goodness gracious. I'm gonna put the camera here. Seems like the obvious thing to do. Are you okay? I hope I didn't break you. Oh. Get out of here. Next, I just had to mount the cooler. It's pretty easy, but it's a bit weird if you've never done it before because they need like a bracket. I didn't know you needed a bracket. Let's remove the stock. Oh, those are really in there, huh? Ah. Oh, okay, so they have little arrows on them. That's nice. I like when they make it for dummies. So it goes like that. Am I supposed to use this? It does go. Let me double check. It doesn't feel like it goes. What is it supposed to do? Why do they give me this? Oh, I need a third hand right now. Okay, I couldn't find the screw. I couldn't find the right screws. So I'll have to change them later. But for now, I just want something to hold it in place. It's not really flush. Oh, because the cable is in the way. It is touching it. What if this were on top? Oh, this is super tight. I'm sorry, what? How am I supposed to reach there? God damn. God damn. How am I supposed to? It's huge. How am I supposed to reach there? Get out of here. What? I feel like if you're ever building a PC, just do it, have someone help you. I don't know. Have more friends.